competition. The drivers today are going to be using any trick they can to knock the competition out of the Derby. And as for the rules, well, folks, there are none.
This ought to be a breeze. There's nothing here that can compete with Wildcat.
Just keep telling yourself that, Clutch. Maybe you'll actually convince yourself.
Vanessa Warfield. They must be getting pretty desperate for contestants to let you and that bucket of bolts enter the Derby.
Hawks, by the end of this race, you're gonna wish you never heard of Memphis.
I just want to take one last look at these new brake drums, Ken. Huh? Whoa! What'd you say, Kenny? I didn't hear. Huh?
See you on the racetrack, Hawks.
You bet you will, Bruno.
None of these fools will survive the wrath of Meta. But I want Clutch Hawks. Where is that coward?
Adios, amigo.
Mine. He's all mine.
Hold it, Mad Dog. Hawks is my meat.
Who says?
Do you really want to challenge me, Bruno? Think about it.
Perhaps it is better we join forces.
I thought you'd see it that way. Now slow down that dump truck he's driving.
Magnabeam, on!
Huh? What's going on here? I'm not moving.
All right, Vanessa. He's all... You fool! Now look what you've done! That jolt jammed my Magnabeam!
Sorry to hear that, Bruno.
Don't worry your pretty little head, Hawks. Stinger, go to armor tank mode. That ought to take care of Clutch Hawks.
Phew. Wildcat can't take another slam like that.
Now I've got Hawks. It'll all be over in a second.
Wildcat, convert to attack mode. Come and get it, Warfield.
Manta, go to jet mode. What a day indeed. Clutch Hawk's last day.
I get the feeling something's about to come between us, Vanessa.
What the?
I've got to neutralize Stinger's attack. He can't shoot if there's nothing to shoot at.
going, Vanessa. Look what you've done to Stinger.
Take it easy, Mad Dog. We'll get Stinger repaired. Which is more than I can say for Clutch Hawks.
Take your best shot, Warfield. Concrete cannon, fire!
That'll be the day, Hawks. Whip on! You won't mind if I return your present, Hawks.
You can do better than that, Vanessa. Here, I'll show you how. Huh?
Now, little cockroach, prepare to feel the anger of Bulldog.
What's that?
I don't know who's driving that rig, but I like his style.
He's closing in, cutting me off.
One less cockroach for Boris the Tsar Pushkin to worry about. Who's next?
Boris! 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 I'll give them something to cheer about. He may be big, but big means slow in my book. What? What's he doing? Hawks is defeated. No need to expose Manza to a vehicle I'm unfamiliar with.
Nice race, Clutch. Better luck next time. Thanks, Dave.
Yes, there is something you want.
I don't like the idea of losing a race, but you fought fair. You deserve to win. Congratulations.
Boris Pushkin doesn't shake hands with losers.